Health professionals earlier today. Brendan, what are they telling you needs to happen?
The number one thing I heard was about addressing the workforce and making sure there are enough qualified people to treat people who need treatment. And that requires more funding.
The mass shooting in Chesapeake is more evidence of what Governor Glenn Youngkin calls a mental health crisis.
So much of it is really a moment to reflect on the state of mind of America and Virginia.
And he says he wants to work with members of the General Assembly to identify additional initiatives to help address mental health.
We hope that with this upcoming session, we will see some funding that'll help us to address our workforce.
On Monday, I spoke with members of the Hampton-Newport News Community Services Board. The organization treats thousands of people in need of mental health treatment. They say they need more funding to retain staff and say the funding needs to be sustained so if programs are offered, they can continue to be.
It's not just a one-time, okay, you've got this pot of funding and now you can do this. It's the ongoing checking in, what more do you need so that we can keep this going.
And those efforts continue into helping children and young people.
The only limits we have now are based on what staffing we can offer. And so, you know, we have an urgent care center, we have mobile crisis, and we're serving as many people as we can, but we simply that needs to be more fully resourced as well, that part of our continuum.
Kurt Hooks is the CEO of the Virginia Beach Psychiatric Center. He says Virginia needs to be strategic in where it puts funding to avoid redundancy and says there are a number of keys.
I think that kind of balancing how those resources are directed and implementing and adapting models that we see working elsewhere outside of Virginia.
Hooks believes this upcoming session is an opportunity for the General Assembly to take some important steps.
We're all here to focus on one outcome here, and that is doing something that is going to be substantive, meaningful, actionable.
Now, the General Assembly session begins in January, and we'll keep you updated as these talks continue. And we'll send it back to Pari now in Chesapeake.